In 2004, the Tunda clap rhythm did around the streets hot, and Tech by Vybz Kartel was one of the biggest songs on the rhythm. DJ Delano from the Renaissance Sound produced the rhythm, and he's here to give us the backstory in our Fiwi Culture segment.
How did Tunda clap rhythm come about?
Well, the rhythm, I built that rhythm in my living room. Plug it at a keyboard, a Phantom keyboard, and plug it in the TV and start playing around with sound. I say I like how it sound, and it was just playing. I got excited, like how I said, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the night, build that rhythm. I'm a call Birch. I'm say, yo, I play the bass, but I'm not sure if it's in key. Yo, I play some praise, I'm not sure it's in key. Come link me, and him come link me. And him said, no man, this step on key, man. And then him add some other things, and him. So when I brought it to the studio the next day, you know, early bright and morning, I say, yo, everybody link me at the studio, come hear the rhythm, you know. Them say, yo, this bad. And then Busy Signal, that time Busy Signal don't even start voice, but no rhythm yet. Busy was just part of our crew. He want a voice, you know, this is what, you know, he was waiting on to, you know. So we say, yo, we're gonna voice upon this rhythm now. So there was a guy, Factor Bridging, Factor is our engineer, and part of the whole production team. He had a bridging called Kenny. So Kenny sing a verse, shake it fast, and we say, Busy, we're gonna make you do the verse then. So we voice that first and we start push it around now, you know? Make people start play it before you even release the rhythm. No, through the artists them start hear the rhythm now, the artists them start check out for the rhythm, right? So everybody come voice up to Killer, Assassin, just name it. Mad Cabra gave us a big hit on it too. Don't waste your time. Couple of hits on the rhythm. But when it came on to Cartel Tech, we'd calling Cartel was busy, because this was the second rhythm in our voice now. This is the second rhythm we built. And we say, Cartel, we need it on this rhythm. And him hear the rhythm and him say, yo, Maba, no, I'm driving and say, yo, him hear it and say, Maba, idea, I'm just running the studio and start voice. I'm like, everybody like, yo, how my voice so? Yo, this so bad. I say, stop this so, record this so. Yo, all right, no more, fix the word, re. So he was actually building the tune while we're voicing him. People from London called me and said, yo, we need this album, and you know, Greensleeve took the album as well. So it was actually like things just keep happening with this rhythm. So the Cartel Tech, huge hit. The Mad Cabra, Don't Waste Your Time, is a huge hit. And Shake It Fast is what started off Busy Signal career before he jumped on the other rhythm what we produced.
Juggling rhythms made a comeback on the dancehall scene in the latter part of last year. But how does this enhance the music? Well, members of the industry and the public share their views in this week's Why Pree Vox Pop segment.
Why Pree?
I always put out juggling rhythm because I believe in that. Every song we hit the Billboard chart, it comes from a juggling. You know, and sometimes when the people are in at the party and them hear a beat with them like, sometimes if you play one song, them just dance and stop. You want to keep the dance all going, you want to keep the people happy.
Everybody we are the juggling right now, big up on yourself. The culture, they need it. Where we want to hear, everybody want to hear them favorite artists and a juggling behind somebody else's favorite artist I sing. You understand what I say? So it works.
It's a wonderful feeling, because here we go on now. It's the one time when the song them like too much rhythm. It's like the people them are gonna just live off a forward alone. You see me? But it's when you can't have a song like a next song for the rhythm and a next song for the rhythm. You can't have people moving and feel the dance. People can feel the dance all more better than when you just hear one forward and then they go back to another song and then we just easy start again and re. But it's when you're juggling, it keep you moving.
When I tell you lie, I'm all for it, you know what I'm saying? I feel like dancehall is good every now and then for dancehall get little rejuvenation, or you see me? I feel like enough of the older dancehall rhythm them, you see it? I feel like enough new artists would have, you see me, do that, make some bad tune on it. As you can see, the new go-go rhythm where I go around. So, I mean, yeah, it's a good look still.
Let us know what you think on all our social media platforms at Pree The Show on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and of course YouTube. And tune in next week for more Why Pree.
Why Pree?
And that's how we close out this week's episode of Pree The Show and say goodbye to Red Hills. You don't know I'm your host Naldo Adi, and until next time, peace. Mixmasters David. What going on, Last one.